Because this is summer season, we love to have some summer fruits, right? Especially mangoes. Though they are available in the market, we have many doubts whether they are carbide free, fresh or not. If at all they are fresh, we want to have a chemical free, good quality, natural and juicy mangoes with reasonable prices. Sweet, natural and juicy would relish our souls, right? But the most interesting part is, have you ever tasted two flavors in one mango? This sounds a bit weird, right? Do you feel many questions and doubts? I will dispel all your doubts and answer your questions in this video with the mango fiesta. Let's go find out. Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskara. How are you all doing? Do you feel this is a boring question? But I feel it's an important question, right? Doing good? Flashing beautiful smiles on your face? Yes? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Yes, deeprooted.co is the mango fiesta that I spoke of that brings answers to all your questions and dispels or clarifies all your doubts. This is deeprooted.co is an online store that delivers fresh fruits and veggies to its customers from the local farmers. Let me first unbox this mangoes which I ordered on deeprooted.co, and later I'll speak what special is it to go for deeprooted.co. The packing was good, as you see in the picture, and you see the mangoes here, how fresh they are. There was a prompt delivery from Deep Rooted & Co. Usually it takes 15 to 20 hours to deliver the order after we place. So how are the mangoes? Let me know in the comment section. And have you ever ordered mangoes on deeprooted.co? Please let me know. And I have ordered two varieties here. One is Totapuri and Banganpalli. Pardon me if my pronunciation is wrong. There are a wide variety of mangoes in the store. You can purchase them as per your wish and want. And what's special to go for this Deep Rooted is they primarily use greenhouse and hydroponic techniques to grow zero contamination produce. So without any hesitation, these mangoes are carbide free and they are hand-picked, fresh from the farmers, chemical free, providing natural, juicy and quality mangoes with reasonable prices. So what else you want more than this? Not only mangoes, you can go for any fresh fruits and veggies. They are available on the store. 200 plus varieties are available right now. They have partnered with 300 plus farmers, and they provide fresh, clean fruits and veggies after harvest to home in 16 hours of time. They have given mango storage guide. If at all you feel the mangoes that you have got are not ripen enough, you got to leave it in the box for 1 to 2 days to get see them ripened. So leave it in the paddy straw box. If you feel they are raw, without any fear of having mango rots, as you see in the picture, you can close the box, leaving the paddy straw inside. I have cut the mangoes here. They are super sweet if they ripe, otherwise they are bland and sour taste. Now I'll show you how you can order on deeprooted.co. As you see in the picture, this is the link through which you got to buy here on deeprooted.co. I'll be providing this link also in the description box. Please do buy only by clicking on this link to get cashback of 150 rupees. After clicking on the link, you'll be directed to Google Play Store. You can download the app over there. See, this is the home screen that appears. Now enter your mobile number. You get OTP on your mobile. Now enter OTP to login and register with deeprooted.co. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fee. And then this is the screen that appears. Enter your details and select the city. This is the most important part that you got to do if you want 300 cashback on your first order. So this is the referral code you got to enter. Be careful while entering. Don't forget, I'll be giving the referral code in the description box also, besides the link. Otherwise, you can pause the video and enter the referral code as shown in the picture as it is. After entering the referral code, this is how the screen looks. You have different categories here. The catalog is given for mango specials, and there's a special mention here of Nature Premium membership. It is 99 rupees per month. If you want 12 free deliveries per month, and the minimum order value is 99 and 8% cashback on every order and guaranteed next day delivery. Now there's a separate section for mangoes. You can go click on mango specials and select the mangoes of different varieties you want from the drop down list and add to basket as shown in the picture. You have different fruits and veggies also. If you want, you can order, and the delivery charges would be applicable if the cart value is less than 400 rupees. 400 or above gives you free delivery. Now I have selected the mangoes from the drop down list, whichever I wanted to have added to basket. As you see in the picture, this is my first order I have placed, and using the referral code of 400 rupees as you see in the picture, have added to basket 2 variety of mangoes. Then selected the delivery address. You can use the location also, or pin your address using the location. Now select the delivery slot and don't forget to apply the coupon as shown in the picture. It is mango 30. It will be shown in the cart while you check out. Now you can pay online or COD, that is cash on delivery. So different online payment modes are available. You can go for Google Pay, Phone Pay and DBS, and you got free recharge, Amazon Credit Pay. You have the option of food cards also. You can use them if they are available with you. That's it, done. Your payment is successful and your order is placed. Please don't go away. I will show you the second order that I have placed with the cashback I've got for my first order, with the referral code that I have used and the cashback that is given by Deep Rooted and Co. You see 300 rupees is given as shown in the picture. Now I have selected the mangoes again because I wanted only mangoes. If any of you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And these are the mangoes which I have selected, added to cart or the basket as shown in the picture. You can select the delivery slot. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, you can apply Paytm coupons also. Go to Paytm and you have cashback and offers on the home page. You can click on that. And if you have coupon, you can come and paste over here. But my coupon was not applicable. It is expired. So I use the coupon that is available on checkout. That is given by deeprooted.co. Now I'm using this wallet balance. That is the cashback that I have got for my first order to place my second order. Right? Now you select your payment option as online payment or cash on delivery, whichever is comfortable with you. That's it, done. You can place your second order using the cashback of first order as I have shown you. But you may ask, what about the returns or replacements? There are no returns or replacements. But if you have any questions and doubts, you can go to the orders section and click on get help and write your query over there. You can mail them or call them within the prescribed timings I've shown in the picture. They will address your issues within the prescribed timings. Regarding this, I want to share some feedback with you. I actually ordered 3 mango varieties of 4 kg quantity, but I received a kg less. I've checked with the delivery guy regarding the shortfall of mangoes which I haven't received. So he initiated the refund by calling out the customer care then and there. So I got the refund within no time, as you saw in the picture, to my original source of payment. So this was my ordering experience on Deep Rooted & Co. How was the tutorial? Did you like the tutorial? Do use the opportunity of ordering at deeprooted.co fresh fruits and veggies chemical free at your doorsteps, and especially mangoes because they are available in summer season. So happy mango season. Happy buy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, Flying Skies One, and please one subscribe please, and keep smiling.